Welcome to O-Cedar's ProMist MAX Spray Mop, the ultimate cleaning tool that combines both performance and convenience. Cleaning is a breeze with the mop's fine mist sprayer and easy-release refillable bottle. The 360-degree microfiber swivel head allows for great cleaning maneuverability. The ProMist MAX lets you clean longer without stopping with its larger frame that enables 2 times more cleaning surface. Simply flip the mop and continue cleaning. The embedded scrub zone in the microfiber pad firmly scrubs and removes the toughest dirt. For an easy and effective clean, follow 3 simple steps. Fill the bottle with water and add 2 teaspoons of your favorite cleaning solution, spray and clean. ProMist MAX is convenient and cleans better, faster, and deeper. The ProMist MAX can be used on all types of hard surfaces. Machine washable, the mop head is both economic and eco-friendly. Rather than continuously buying single-use disposable refills, the mop head can be reused multiple times. Get the job done quickly, easily, and with the utmost confidence when you use O-Cedar's ProMist MAX Microfiber Spray Mop. Cleaning has never been so easy.